Basically, it's a high top sneaker with protection. I mean, it's really, really what it is. Guess what day it is? It's new gear from Revzilla Day. Got some new shoes in. Basically, I wanted something that was not a full height, tall, bulky boot. And I also wanted something ironic, given that it's 50 degrees outside, even in Texas today. But I wanted something vented. The SMX-S, I love them. They fit great, which is key for what I got. But it's just hot as hell when it's sunny and warm out, because there's basically no airflow, which is great right now, but it's kind of lacking the rest of the year for Texas. Where is my knife? I had it. Seriously, folks, what did I do with the knife? Aha. Definitely needs sharpened. Not put my address on camera. Sorry, guys. If you're an attractive lady in between 30 and 50, send me an email. Single. Gotta be single. AlpineStars, yet again. Now, there's a reason for that. Remember when I said that the ones I have fit great. I love how they fit. I love how they feel. Okay. Ready? These are the SMX boots, but they're the low ones. SMX-1 R vented. Basically, it's a high top sneaker with protection. I mean, it's really, really what it is. Still a slip on, so you're using the Velcro over here with a zip. So no laces to do up, quick in and out. Still has the low back, low front. Aha, that finally fell off. Good. Still has the slider. I don't know that I really have any use for that slider, but whatever. But protective toe patch. I mean, what do you want? Now, obviously, it does look like a riding shoe. There's no mistaking this. If somebody's looking at you, that's a riding shoe. But in exchange for that, you've got a protective heel, not rock hard, but it's pretty solid. You've got protection on both sides, not a lot on this side. Yeah, there's a little bit in there, but nothing crazy. This side's just got a little TPU. But toe has some reinforcement. That's not, there's no steel toe in there, but it's all the way to back here. I mean, that's taking some effort, okay? That's not going to be injured just because you hit the road. Same thing on the back, the TPU. I don't know if I was showing this earlier because I had it up here. Heel. But you do have some flex, not a lot. Let me get it. Okay. Yeah, you've got some flex, but they're not meant to be a hiking boot or a walking boot. You can use them, like if you're going into the store or whatever, fine. But they're not meant to be the kind of thing you leave on all day when you're not on the bike. So I'm going to put these on, I'm going to try them out, I'm going to walk around in them, and we'll have a review later. I just figured I'd do a quick unboxing. I am excited. I've been putting these on my wait and see list for quite a while, and they're no longer being offered. Revzilla had them on closeout, and my size was only available at this point in the black, and I said, well, I got to order it or forget about it. Everything else in this category had something I didn't like. I could have spent double the money, triple the money, and not found everything I wanted in one pair of boots. These were it. And I just had figured I would wait until spring and order it, because I obviously don't need them right now. a vented boot right now is asking for frozen feet, even in Texas. So take care all, have fun, keep it shiny side up.